Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Cookie Monster fudge. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 24 ounces of white chocolate chips, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and then you need some blue food coloring to tint that, some mini Chips Ahoy cookies, some mini Oreo cookies, and some candy eyeballs. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to open up my sweetened condensed milk and add my blue food coloring to it. All right, next I added my blue food coloring to my sweetened condensed milk and stirred it up and added it to my white chocolate chips. So now I have it all stirred together here in a big bowl, and we are going to microwave that for 90 seconds and then in 30-second increments. Alright, I just took my fudge out of the microwave and I only let mine cook for 60 seconds because you really don't want it to seize up from overcooking it. So next I have an 8x8 baking pan here and I just lined it with parchment paper, so I'm going to pour my fudge into that. Alright, my fudge is evenly distributed in my pan, and be sure you leave some overhangs. And then I added 32 eyes all around it, and now I am going to just add my cookies all over the rest. My cookies have all been added, and I just put some sideways, some in there the right way, just however you want to do it. So now we are going to go ahead and get this in the refrigerator for 2 hours to let it set up before we cut it into our pieces of fudge. I just took my fudge out of the refrigerator. It actually sat in there overnight. So now I'm going to use the overhangs and remove it and cut it into my little fudge bars. Alright, my fudge has all been cut, and you can cut these into as little or as big as pieces as you want. I have 20 here, but like I said, you can cut them to however many you want. Some of them don't have the eyes, but that's okay. They look so cute, and I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, I've got a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. Subscribe.
Bye.